CapCut has a ton of different cool AI features for you to use. Let's start by checking out the Enhance Image tool. My timeline here, I'll go back to clip 6, and then I'll click on it. And under Video here at the top, let's click into it. And we'll scroll down, and there's Enhance Image right here. This allows you to artificially increase your video quality. So let's say you shot a video at like 480p. If I expand this here, I can change the level of enhancement. Right now it's set to Ultra HD because this was shot at 4K, but you're able to basically upscale your video if it was shot at a poor quality. Then here as well, we have AI Expand. This like expands the frame of your video to fit a larger aspect ratio. AI Remove is really cool. You're able to, like, let's say for example here, I wanted to remove this stuff in the background. I'm able to highlight it and remove it from the background with AI. One feature that's really cool is if you want to make eye contact with the lens, but for whatever reason during your video, you weren't actually looking at the lens, you can click eye contact and with AI, make yourself look at the lens. Relight is really cool. It allows you to just really change the way that your video looks from a lighting perspective. Auto reframe is for if you want to keep yourself right in the middle of the frame. Then you have remove flickers and motion blur. And then here at the top, if I click remove BG, you can check on auto removal, and it's going to automatically remove the background of your video, kind of creating like a rotoscope or green screen effect. And then here I could put anything behind me that I want. It doesn't just do it for this one frame. If I scroll through the entire video, it uses AI to track me and remove the background. And I did that with simply just one click. That's super impressive. Before I move on, I'll turn this off. And then I'll click on a retouch here at the top right. And with retouch, you're able to kind of add makeup to your face, almost like a filter. Essentially, it makes you look nice and pretty. And then another thing that's pretty cool, if I click this arrow here in the top right and then click AI Stylize, you have different templates and effects where you can turn your video, for example, into like an anime style or a comic book. This one's called surreal or doll. You can try these out. They do pretty crazy, goofy stuff with your video. It's just one of those things that's really fun to experiment around with. Now, I'm going to press Control S on my keyboard to save my video. And then I'm going to click the X in the top right. And now here I have access to some really cool AI tools. I have a video translator. I can automatically turn a long video into shorts, and then I can share those shorts onto short form platforms. I can also turn a script into a video using AI. And then I also have an AI image generator.